Hello, my name is Texilustari Gómez Fuentes. Population: there is an average of 72,000 people in the city. Urban area: Bogotá has a length of 33 south to north and 60 km from east to west. Average climate in centigrade: average temperature range between 5–19°C with an annual average of 13°C. Current situation of education. Agreement: according to the National System of Information of Education of Ministry of Education. According to the Ministry of Education in Bogotá, there are 2,242 education institutions. There are 186 of this district 10 of special regime and of a private natural and a total 104 institutions of higher education, both public and private. Bogotá has largest university of there in the country, around 450,000. Higher education students and 72,000 higher education graduates. 40 there are people from all the country who have big contributed to the ancient cultural tradition typical of the city. It is important that UNESCO give it to city the title of World Capital of Book in 2007. Also, it was declared the Ibero-American May 2012. UNESCO designated it as Creative City of Music as part of their organization Creative Cities Network Culture that same year.